Akreditado na kang British Medical Council ang Bicol University College of Medicine o BUCM. Inian maugbang pigiras ni BUCM Dean Dr. Ofelia Summersea. Sigun kay C, antes sa akreditasyon, halawig man ang saindang pigagihan na proseso bago na narealisar ang saindang dating pangiturogan sa naman. 2 taon man ang saindang pigugol na panahon nga ni maabot ang trayumpong ini.
Very important that we show integrity, professionalism, and the good organization. It helps that we are already ISO accredited, so mayroon na kaming systems. And at the same time, the curriculum. We must be able to show to them that our curriculum aligns with what they're supposed to be in a world standard, in the standard of UK, which is very tedious. Ay dapat align tayo doon, number of hours, the subjects that we offered, and all the activities that we have.
Ang BU ang pinakaprimerong universidad sa nasyon na pig-akreditar kan nasambit na konseho. Huli kay ni pedesir na makapag-examan graduates kang BUCM sa United Kingdom Licensure Exam, Professional and Assessments Board of Lab Test ang mga kwalipikadong doktor na maut na manirbiyan sa United Kingdom alagad dapat inot ng nanirbiyan sa nasyon. May 2 components ang lab test. Inot iyo ang multiple choice na kompwesto ni 180 ang kahapotan. Ika-2 ang objective structured clinical examination na kompwesto ng 18 clinical scenarios kung sa loob ng 10 minutos dapat matapos ini kan examini.
If you have passed the PLAB 1, that's the only time that you will be able to take up the PLAB 2. And if you have passed the PLAB 2, you will be considered to be eligible to apply to different positions in the hospital, a training position or a work position.
May magigibuhon man da sindang lakdangan imas maihandaan mga estudyante sa duwang nasambit na eksaminasyon.
Kaya from first year, second year, third year, fourth year, ang magandang ginawa namin na sa College of Medicine is, aside from the comprehensive exam, which is also a licensure exam-based exam, na dapat magagaling din yung mga students namin. From first year, parang review na nila yun for the board exam. Not only of the Philippines, but also board exam for abroad. Dalawa ang tinitake sa amin, we have the written comprehensive exam, na parang licensure exam yon, at saka yung OSCE, it's a practical exam, which we call as Observed Structured Clinical Exam, pattern yun sa UK.
Sa presente, pigiinguha man kang BUCM na ma-accredit kang Philippine Accrediting Association of Schools, Colleges and Universities o PAAS kungunya na taon. Asin kang Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates nga ni makapag-board exam man sa US at in Australia ang sa indang graduates. Para sa mga baretang tatak Bicol, Mae Arango.